Hello my beautiful friends, welcome back. My last recipe was about the applesauce bread, which was mostly liked by all of you, and now I'm here with another bread recipe, and it's the pumpkin bread. I'm using the store-bought pumpkin puree, and the other ingredients which we will need are 2 large eggs, 1 cup of sugar, 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract, and half cup of vegetable oil. So these 3 things will be first mixed together. In the dry ingredients, we have 1 3/4 cups of all-purpose flour. We will add 1 teaspoon of baking soda, half teaspoon of baking powder, 1/4 teaspoon of nutmeg powder. Then we'll need 1/4 teaspoon of ground ginger, 1/4 teaspoon of allspice, and half teaspoon of ground cinnamon. We will also need 1/4 cups of whole milk. We will also need 1 1/3 cup of pumpkin puree. We will only need 300 grams, so there will be some left over with this one. And definitely we will need a 9x5 baking loaf pan. I am gonna grease it generously. You can also line it with a parchment liner, parchment paper. So in a bowl, we will add 2 large eggs. We'll add the sugar, which is 1 cup, oil, milk, and vanilla extract. Our oven should be preheated at 350 degrees Fahrenheit. We will set the wet ingredients which are beaten up or mixed together, and now we'll work on the dry ingredients. In the all-purpose flour, I'm gonna add 1/4 teaspoon of nutmeg, ground ginger 1/4 teaspoon, half to 1 teaspoon of cinnamon powder, half teaspoon of baking powder. Will need half teaspoon of salt, half teaspoon of allspice powder, 1 teaspoon of baking soda. Mix everything together. Now we will start adding this and mixing it together. Once we are done mixing everything together, let's transfer it. Dear friends, as you all know, that chopped walnuts and pecans are always welcome in my bread recipes. So I'm gonna add a handful of chopped walnuts. Ready, and it's going in the oven at 350 degrees Fahrenheit. The oven was preheated, and it's going in the second or the middle rack of my oven for 1 hour. So let's place it. I got this loaf out, and it came out all clean. Dear friends, this is the final look of the pumpkin bread loaf. I hope you all have enjoyed this recipe. All the ingredients will be listed in the description box below. If you haven't signed up or subscribed to my channel yet, please do so and share my videos with your family and friends. I need your support. I need more subscribers. Till next time, take good care of yourself. Goodbye.